guys, if you want to see how I made this delicious coconut rice, please keep watching and do not forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. If you find this video helpful or interesting, please do all of those. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So keep watching to see how I prepare this delicious coconut rice. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dima. If you are new on this channel, you're highly welcome. Thank you so much for joining the family. And to my old subscribers, God bless you all for always coming by to support me. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I prepare my own coconut rice. So let me introduce you to my ingredients. Here, which is the main ingredients for this rice, is some coconuts. I've removed it from the shell. I have rice. I have beef. I have some tomatoes with some carrots there. I have these green beans, one bulb of onion, cabbage, and green pepper. Then I have this blend of spice. In here we have curry, thyme, rosemary, paprika, and some mix of herbal spices. And I have seasoning cube. So let's get started. So I'll start off by prepping the meat and getting the vegetables prepared. So guys, I'll start off by dicing my onion. So I'll be adding in some onion into the meat. By the way, my meat is frozen, though it has been washed and cleaned up. So I'll go in with some blend of spices. And one cube of seasoning cube. So to this I'll be adding in some water because the beef is frozen, so I can't steam the meat. I'm scared that it's going to get burnt, so I'll add in some water to it now. So I'll place my meat on the fire now to cook. So while the meat is cooking, I'm going to be parboiling my rice. Adding some water to it. Also place that on the fire to parboil. So let's get the coconut milk ready also. So I'll be cutting in the coconut into thin pieces because I'll be blending this up. I'll extract the milk out from this coconut because that's what you need. So guys, I'll be extracting the milk from the coconut now. So guys, I'm done with the extraction. This is the much of the milk I got, so I'm going to be keeping this aside while I get the rest of the vegetables ready. So I'll start off with my fresh tomatoes. So I'll be slicing it into bit by bit. You can blend it if you want, but I like to see those chunks in my coconut rice. I will grill my beef now. I'll stir frying my vegetables first. On a low to medium heat, I'm heating up my oil just a little. Just to stir fry the vegetables. So in the same pot, I'll be frying my tomatoes. Just a little oil. I'll go in with the rest of the onion. Then Then I'll go in with the coconut milk. Some of the meat stock. Ground pepper. Some salt to taste. Then I'll go in with my rice. This to cook for some time. Then I'll come back to check on it after like 20 minutes. So guys, our rice has been cooking very well and it's well cooked now. You can see how delicious this is looking. So the final step is to add in the vegetables. So I'll go in with the vegetables now. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please do not forget to give me a thumb up, like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.